Asian Development Bank (ADB) is regional development bank that promotes social and economic progress across Asia and the Pacific. It provides loans, grants, technical assistance, and policy advice to member countries to support infrastructure, education, healthcare, environmental sustainability, and regional cooperation. Asian Development Bank headquarters is located in Philippines and it has 42 field offices in Asia and the Pacific along with representative offices in Washington, Tokyo, Frankfurt and Sydney. Asian Development Bank history, concept and establishment. The idea of a regional development bank was first suggested by Japan in the late 1950s and formalized in the 1960s. Asian Development Bank was officially established on 19 December 1966. Initial membership started with 31 countries including regional and non-regional members. Headquarters location Manila was chosen over Tokyo after votes by prospective member countries. Early focus. The bank initially concentrated on food production, rural development and infrastructure in countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, South Korea and the Philippines. Expansion. Over the decades, Asian Development Bank expanded to include 69 member countries, 50 from the Asia Pacific region and 19 from outside the region. Asian Development Bank objectives. Asian Development Bank's main objectives are reduce poverty, improve living standards for low-income populations, promote inclusive economic growth, supported infrastructure, financial systems, and governance reforms, supported environmental sustainability, fund climate resilient and environmentally friendly projects, enhance social development, improve education, healthcare, and social welfare program, foster regional cooperation, strengthen trade investment and connectivity among member countries, encourage private sector development, support private investment in projects with social and economic benefits. Asian Development Bank functions. Provides loans and grants to member countries for development projects in infrastructure, social sectors, and environmental sustainability, offers technical assistance and advisory services to improve policy making, governance, and institutional capacity, promotes regional cooperation and integration by funding cross-border projects and encouraging trade and investment, supports private sector development by providing financing, guarantees, equities, and mezzanine funds for socially beneficial projects, helps countries prepare for and respond to natural disasters and health emergencies, providing rapid financial and technical support, facilitates knowledge sharing and capacity building through research, training programs, and development forums, encourages environmental sustainability and climate resilience through funding renewable energy, disaster risk management, and resource efficient projects. Organization and governance of ADB. ADB is governed through a structured system ensuring member participation and accountability. Its governance framework includes a board of governors, a board of directors, and a president who oversee daily operations. This ensures transparency and effective decision making in development initiatives. Board of Governors, one representative from each member country's top policy making body. Board of Directors, 12 directors manages operations, 8 from regional members, 4 from non-regional members. President chairs the Board of Directors and manages Asian Development Bank. Current president is Masato Kanda since February 2025. Voting system, weighted voting based on each country's capital contribution. Membership and voting structure of Asian Development Bank. ADB has grown to include 69 member countries, including both regional and non-regional nations. Voting power is determined by each country's capital contribution, with major shareholders holding significant influence over policies and lending. Total members 69, 50 regional, 19 non-regional. Major shareholders Japan and US 15.571% each, China 6.429%, India 6.317%, Australia 5.773%. Voting system, weighted votes according to capital subscription. Regional members include Afghanistan, India, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, Philippines, South Korea, Thailand, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, and Pacific nations. Funding and financial instruments of Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank raises funds from multiple sources to provide loans and grants for development projects. Its findings ensure that both middle income and low-income countries can access financial support for social and economic development. Ordinary capital resources, loans for middle-income countries, Asian Development Fund, concessional loans and grants for low-income countries, private sector operations, offers loans, equity and guarantees to private enterprises, co-financing, collaborates with other development organizations to increase funding, bond issuance, raises capital from global financial markets. 2022 funding snapshot: $20.5 billion in total assistance, $6.7 billion for climate initiatives, $14 billion for food security. Role of Asian Development Bank in Asia Pacific development: provides loan, grants and technical assistance to improve living standards and reduce poverty in member countries such as the Rural Road Sector to Investment Program in India, which enhance connectivity and access to education and healthcare. Funds infrastructure projects such as roads, bridges, energy, urban transport and water supply to support economic growth, like the North-South Commuter Railway project in the Philippines. Support countries in preparing for natural disaster, climate change impacts and pandemic responses, including the $2 million grant to Armenia during COVID-19. Encourages trade, investment and economic collaboration among countries, such as initiatives in making river countries to promote regional connectivity and shared resources. Provides financing to private companies to generate economic growth and social benefits, including the Pacific Private Sector Development Initiative in Solomon Island. Supports education, vocational training and skill development programs, including the Asian Development Bank Japan Scholarship Program, which trains students to contribute to regional development. Funds project to improve food availability, nutrition and healthcare systems, such as the $14 billion food security package in 2022 to address rising food prices in member countries.